So this is the Japanese yen, and this is the weekly chart. What we can see uh, on the chart is that the currency has been following a uptrend channel and actually went into an acceleration channel right here. Also, the currency is creating a triangle as well, same as the euro dollar, or has been creating a triangle as well, same as euro dollar. So based on that, the conclusion that we can draw is that the currency may actually keep going sideways until it breaks the triangle. So right now it is ranging, and the Japanese yen has no issue ranging for many weeks before it goes back up. So in this case scenario, this might be what would happen in this configuration. We can probably expect the Japanese yen to keep ranging for the next couple weeks to a month before it decides to go back up. Considering the Considering the theory of the triangle, continuation pattern should break down on the three-fourth of the pattern, which would put it about at that level right here, which would be close to the acceleration uptrend channel. So if that happens, that would be a double confirmation that if the currency breaks up at that level, it should be a nice break. Of course, quite possible that it goes down to retest the lower uptrend channel band before going back up. So for this week, it's if you look at the weekly chart, it will be difficult to make a decision. So we'll look at the lower time frame, and we'll draw that triangle here, and then of course we got Trend Dragon, who is going to give us some additional indication. So let me do that. When we add Trend Dragon, a bit confirm what we were talking about. This uptrend channel line here marry pretty well the Trend Dragon trend line. We have here this level of support from Trend Dragon, and here this level of support from of resistance from Trend Dragon as well, and it's a bit in line with our triangle. Okay, so no signal to go up on the weekly chart. So let's go into a lower time frame and see what we can have. Before we change, of course, one thing to consider, which we talked about, if the currency breaks that level here, it could actually go down to this level here. We would like it better that it goes sideways until it can hit this uptrend acceleration channel. That would make it a better signal. The daily chart is showing the currency into a range pattern for the past week, basically. So let's look at that range a bit more detail. We'll clean up that chart again, and basically the range is this level here with potentially a down lower level here. If it breaks, we'll change the color. So the currency is currently following that ranging channel. It's well defined right now. Could go down, break that channel, and then follow that other range level, as well as going back up, potentially following that range level. Though if it goes back up, pretty much there's a higher probability that it would go higher. So what do you do right now? The option right now is to play the range, because we can't really say that there is any trend any trend right now, and the best would be to play the range into that blue area. Let's look at that a little bit more in a little bit more details. If we're looking in more details on the daily chart, we can see that the market pushed down right at the edge of the range here. That was well, over the weekend, so it doesn't really count. But today pushed back up at the opening, and then when the Europe went in line, it actually refused that level right here with a very big wick, and is right now at the lower band of the range. This candle here, I mean, we'll see how it closes today, but it's pretty much a refusal of that level over here. So it is quite possible that it may actually break down and start to play in that second lower range right here. So to trade the range, on this type of range, it's you can basically buy at the bottom and sell at the top. That's a bit that. So in this case here, you would be looking at buying right here, and you would probably want to wait for that level here to break back up, and then you will expect level of resistance right here, middle of the range, and then you'd be thinking and probably selling around that level to take your profit, or reverse your position. Considering that the background trend is up, if you were going long, I would probably suggest to use a trailing stop just in case the market decided to break to the upside, go into that level here to potentially break it here and resume the move back up. It is also possible that the market would go lower and play into that range level, which in this case you will know that the base would be right here, or that's the level they'll try to go down to, and of course the top would be right here. So if this happen, you would be looking at entering short at the break of the low of the previous day here, and you would put your stop loss right here. Your take profit would be right at that level. I would probably, personally on my trade, I would probably not look at the downside. If this happen, I would wait for the currency to see what it does when it reaches that level here, and probably be looking at an entry to the upside. In case if it happens that it breaks even lower down, then after that we can revisit the situation and see what we can do there. So I will send you the trade ideas through your email. If you're not on our mailing list, just send us your email through YouTube, and we'll add you to that. Just as a reminder, this would be just for educational purposes. So so they send it to us. And that's it for the Japanese yen. So we'll see what happens in the next couple days.